Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Mobox account from PC. Mobox is a Web3 gaming and NFT platform that combines play-to-earn games with decentralized wallets and ecosystems on the Binance Smart Chain. BSC, you need a wallet like MetaMask connected to interact with the platform. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Simply type down mobox.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Mobox website, and Mobox runs on the Binance Smart Chain, you need a BSC compatible wallet before registering MetaMask, Mobox wallet, or other BSC wallet supported by the Mobox. And after that, you can select to this connect in the top right here, and you'll get into this connect wallet or sign in with the Mobox. As I'm going to select to this connect wallet here. I'm going to select with sign in with Mobox here. Over here, what you can do is simply type down your email or your phone number as well, and you can type down your password. But if you want to log in your Mobox with your wallet or Grow, you can do that as well. And after you're done, select to this login. That is it. This is how you can create your wallet through Mobox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below, and we will reach out to you very soon.